Samsung's 65-inch Neo QLED QN70F 2025 model is a standout in the world of premium TVs. Its design is incredibly sleek, featuring an ultra-thin frame and minimal bezels that create a near-seamless viewing experience. Whether placed on a stand or mounted on the wall, the TV has a modern aesthetic that complements any living space without overwhelming it. The display technology is where this TV really shines. With mini LED backlighting and quantum matrix technology, the QN70F delivers deep blacks, bright highlights, and precise contrast control across the entire screen. Colors are rich and vibrant, providing a cinematic experience that brings movies, shows, and sports to life. The 4K resolution ensures every detail is sharp and clear, making even everyday content feel premium. Motion handling is exceptional thanks to Xcelerator 144 Hz. Fast-paced action scenes, live sports, or high frame rate gaming appear smooth with minimal blur or judder. This makes the QN70F ideal for gamers who want fluid gameplay and for anyone who enjoys high-speed content without sacrificing clarity. The NQ4 AI Gen2 Processor is the heart of the TV's performance. It intelligently enhances picture quality, upscales HD content to near 4K clarity, and optimizes colors and brightness in real time. Samsung Vision AI automatically adjusts screen brightness based on the room's lighting conditions, so the TV always looks its best no matter where it's placed. On the software side, the TV runs Samsung's Tizen OS, offering a clean and responsive interface. Streaming apps load quickly, and navigation is intuitive. Built-in Alexa enables hands-free control, making it simple to change channels, launch apps, or control smart home devices with your voice. Other voice assistant integrations are also supported, giving users flexibility in how they interact with the TV. The audio system is surprisingly effective for a slim panel. Dialogue is clear, mids are well-defined, and bass has enough presence for casual viewing. While it won't replace a dedicated sound system, it's more than adequate for movies, series, and everyday TV. Connectivity options are plentiful. Multiple HDMI ports, USB slots, and wireless options allow you to connect gaming consoles, soundbars, external drives, and other devices without hassle. This makes the QN70F a versatile entertainment hub that can handle all your media needs. Overall, the Samsung 65-inch Neo QLED QN70F delivers a premium viewing experience with cutting-edge display technology, smooth motion handling, smart AI features, and elegant design. It's perfect for movies, sports, gaming, and streaming, offering an immersive experience that's hard to beat in 2025's 4K TV lineup. If you want to experience cinema-quality visuals in your own home, this TV is a compelling choice. Check the link in the description to get yours today and take your home entertainment to the next level.